The word Scuba stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus and is comprised of three components. The first is your scuba tank. The second is your buoyancy control device, or BCD. And the third is your regulator set and console. So now we're ready to assemble your gear. First thing you want to do is inspect your tank. Visually make sure that the tank's O-ring is clear of defects so it will make a good seal with the regulator when we attach it later. The second thing we're going to do is connect our BCD. You're going to start by sliding your BCD over the tank valve and securing your tank straps. It's important to pull the straps very tight so that the tank does not come loose while you're diving. You want to make sure that your tank valve height is about equal with the back of the neck of your BCD, and that'll provide you enough head clearance while you're diving. Now we're ready to attach our regulators. All regulators are going to come with a dust cap to protect the filter. So we'll start by removing the dust cap, making sure that our regulator mouthpieces are on our right-hand side. We'll slide that over the yoke valve of the tank and tighten the yoke screw just hand tight. Now we're ready to secure the rest of our equipment. We can take our low-pressure inflator and we will be able to attach it to our BCD, making sure it clicks in place. Once we're done, we also want to secure our alternate air source, or octopus, in a location on our vest, somewhere between our chin and the corners of our ribcage. We also have our console, but before we attach it away, we want to verify our tank pressure. So by holding our pressure gauge away from us, we can start by slowly opening the valve. Once you hear the unit pressurize, you can open the tank valve all the way and back 1/4 turn. Looks like we've got a full tank. Let's get ready to dive.